According to the 2010 census, the adult population aged 18 or greater in the United States in 2010 was somewhere around 23 million. And in 2010, a survey was conducted among a randomly chosen sample of adults aged 18 or greater in the United States about their preference to live in a warm climate or a cool climate. Now the table below displays a summary of the survey results. So we know that the age groups has been divided into four groups: 18 to 35, 36 to 50, 51 to 65 or greater than 65. And these are the total number of people for these age groups. So we know there are 508 people from the age group of 18 to 35. So and out of those 500, 295 prefer to live in warm climate, 168 prefer to live in cool climate, whereas 45 have no preference. So this is how we will study this table here. So let's just go to our question here, which says based on this data in the table, we need to find out which of the following is closest to the probability that a randomly selected adult who is aged 18 to 35 years prefers to live in a cool climate. So as we know, the formula for probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now let's just find our favorable outcomes and total outcomes, and then we can easily find our probability. Now, as the question says that we are randomly selecting adult who is aged 18 to 35. So we know that a total number of people between age 18 and 35 is 508 here. So we know that our total outcome is 508. And we are among them we are choosing how many prefer to live in a cool climate. So there are 168 people who actually prefer to live in a cool climate. So our favorable outcome would be 168. So let's just find our answer by dividing 168 by 508. So let's just solve this using our calculators. This should be equal to 0.331. So let's just look at our options here. Option C is the correct answer.